Bed King, better sleep isn't a luxury, it's a smart design. Through their Comfort Solutions Sleep Lab, they help every customer find the mattress that perfectly fits their body and lifestyle. Today we're exploring the Signature Collection, the heart of the Comfort Solutions collection created for people who truly understand the value of smart sleep. And joining me in studio is Carla Evertse-Meiberg from Bed King. Goeiemorgen, good morning, and thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Elsa, for having me.
Now, what makes the Signature Collection the cornerstone of the Comfort Solutions story?
Our Signature Collection has been around since the inception of our lab in 2018. So it has its legacy products. And over the years, we've just refined it. And it was the first collection where we introduced our modular capsule technology in 2021, where we could offer customers split comfort and support varieties, and that allowed couples to sleep on their own supports. So that's why our Signature Collection is the top of the range, premium. That's what makes it the heart of our Comfort Solutions brand.
And Comfort Solutions' slogan is Better Rest by Design. How does this collection bring that philosophy to life?
So our slogan, Better Rest by Design, is really our guiding principle at Comfort Solutions. We make every single Comfort Solutions according to data that we get from the lab, actual real human data. So that's what alludes to the by design. So every mattress is intentionally made. So we really focus on matching. We have 12 different sleep profiles that we get out of our Comfort Solutions lab, and every mattress we craft to that profile. From the rest aspect, we really focus on quality of sleep and not just the length of sleep. So for us, we focus on really making sure you're sleeping on a mattress that's going to give you that rest and restoration. That's how the slogan guides everything we do at Comfort Solutions.
And what sets the materials or technology in the Signature Collection apart from standard mattresses?
It would have to be our modular capsule technology. So we are the only brand in South Africa that currently offers customers the ability to sleep on their tailored comfort and support. The benefit of that is endless. So your mattress inevitably shows wear and tear after a couple of years. So instead of needing to replace the full mattress, you just simply replace the component or the capsule that's experiencing the wear or tear. Or as your bodies, you change with time, you get older or you get an injury, you simply just need to replace your comfort capsule or your support capsule to suit your needs as time goes on. So it's really, we put a lot of luxurious materials inside a Signature mattress. So the comfort foams, there's more layers of luxurious comfort foams in there. And then if we go down to the support capsules, which is the spring units, we offer edge-to-edge springs. So you can sleep right to the edge of your bed. Our mattresses have 25% more springs in it than any other standard mattress. And then even down to the ticking, which is the fabric. It's soft, it's breathable, it feels like a jersey. It's not going to snag on your sheets. So everything that we've chosen in the mattress is designed to give you that luxurious sleep experience when you get into bed at night.
Wow, it sounds so comfortable. And I would also like to talk about the Sleep Lab experience. How does that experience help customers identify their ideal Signature mattress?
So the Sleep Lab uses pressure mapping technology, over 1,600 pressure sensors that pick up your body's unique pressure points. So your body, based on how you sleep and how your weight is distributed, has unique pressure points. So the lab will pick up those pressure points and it will tell us, where do you need more support when you're in a mattress and where do you need more comfort? And then based off that, we get your unique sleep profile and it matches you to a Comfort Solutions mattress that has the right level of comfort in it to relieve your pressure points and the right level of support to keep your spine in alignment and allow your muscles to relax so that you can have that truly restorative sleep.
And who is the Signature Collection designed for? I mean, what kind of sleeper benefits from it?
A discerning sleeper, someone who truly values sleep as part of their overall wellness, and someone who wants that luxurious experience when they get into bed at night. So they want to feel grounded. They want to sleep on a mattress that's going to give them the best possible rest.
And what about someone who snores, maybe?
That's a great question. So our lab, because you are doing the test, we're going to pick up which areas of your body requires more support. And typically snoring is caused because your airways are somehow obstructed. So it will match you to a Comfort Solutions Signature mattress that has the right support for you, which naturally will keep your spine in alignment and help to keep your airways open. We also offer a pillow fit process as part of the Sleep Lab experience, where we also match you to your ideal pillow. And so your pillow is critical for keeping your throat area nice and open, which also prevents snoring.
Why would you recommend this experience overall?
It's based on science and it's objective. So instead of me as a sales consultant assuming what you need in a mattress, we use your body's data, your pressure point mapping, to guide you to the mattress that has the right comfort level, that will relieve those pressure points, and the right support to keep your spine in alignment. So it's matching you to the right mattress using science.
Carla, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well, if you're ready to rest smarter, visit any BedKing store and experience the Comfort Solution Sleep Lab for yourself. Discover your perfect signature mattress and start sleeping better tonight. BedKing, better rest by design.
Ek gesels nou volgende met Nadia Moelman, die stigter van Nanuki, die plek waar gesonde happies en volhoubaarheid hand aan hand met mekaar gaan. Nadia, hartlike goeiemôre en baie welkom.
Baie dankie, lekker om hier te wees.
Sê net gou vir my, hoekom is Nanuki gestig?
Wel, die visie was om 'n handelsmerk en 'n produk te skep wat kinders en volwassenes toelaat om sonder vrees te smil en weten dat dit nie net veilig is nie, maar ook vol voedingswaarde is. So ons wou bewys dat gesond en lekker hand aan hand kan gaan.
En die naam Nanuki, wat beteken dit?
So die na kom van my naam af, Nadia, en die nu staan vir nutritious, wat ons doelwit is, en dan die key is vir die kinders, wat ons inspirasie is.
Dit is baie skerp en duidelik gaan ek ook nou nie daardie naam vergeet. En ook die jou naam nie, Nadia. Hoekom gebruik julle juis ook plantgebaseerde bestanddele?
Wel, ons glo dat plantgebaseerde bestanddele die mees voedsame en volhoubare opsie is. So deur plantgebaseerd te wees, is ons produkte outomaties toeganklik vir meer mense en veral diegene met allergieë. So dit verseker dat ons produkte vol krag en vesel is sonder al die onnodige verwerkte bestanddele en bymiddels.
Hoorie, dit is nogal die tendens deesdae, hè. Ek dink wêreldwyd probeer mense ook of 'n ou weet byvoorbeeld in van die groter ander lande, jy weet met die wegneem eetes en die fast food soos ons dit ken, jy weet, is maar baie geprosesseerde kosse en dinge. So is vir julle ook belangrik dat hierdie produkte van julle allergievry is en ook, jy weet, veilig vervaardig word.
Ja, nee, definitief, dit is van kritieke belang. 'n Voedselallergie is nie 'n keuse nie en dit kan ook lewensgevaarlik wees. So ons missie is om gemoedsrus te bied en dit beteken dat die vervaardigingsproses streng beheer moet word en ouers en verbruikers moet ons kan vertrou. So wanneer ons sê dat dit vry is van gluten of suiwel of neute, dat dit absoluut waar moet wees.
Hoorie, en daar was ook mos maar nog altyd 'n stigma wanneer 'n ou gesond eet of by sulke produkte kyk of oorweeg, dan dink mense ook altyd, maar hoe proe dit? Is dit ooit lekker? Jy weet, dit lyk baie mooi en die verpakking is beautiful, maar hoe proe dit?
Wel, ons het nou al 'n hele paar awards vir waar ons goud en silwer gewen het. So ek definitief dink dat lekker en gesond kan hand in hand gaan. Ons probeer dit so meer smaakvol, smaaklik en interessant as moontlik te hou. En dit proe nie soos 'n koerant of iets vervelig nie. Ons probeer dit so meer fun as moontlik kan maak.
En uiteraard, ek meen dit is nogal baie gefokus, ek meen uit die aard van die naam ook op die kinders, en kinders sal vir jou eerlik sê of hulle daarvan hou of nie, so as hulle daarvan gaan hou, dan kan jy maar weer die res van die wêreld sal ook heerlik daaraan spil, nie waar nie?
Definitief.
Koerant lees en eerder 'n Nanuki produk geniet, as wat hulle nou laat proe soos 'n koerant, ek hou daarvan. Sê gou vir my, obviously sê dit proe gesond, maar dit hoef nou nie noodwendig, jy weet, soos lekkernyheid te proe nie, maar net solank dit smaaklik is om te eet, en dan voel 'n ou nog die energie wat jy daaruit kry, die gesondheidswaarde en die voordele ook.
Ja, so ons probeer soveel as moontlik gesonde produkte insit wat nie te veel verwerk is nie, en ons probeer produkte insit wat ons weet jy weet vol gesonder dinge is. Wanneer jy dit eet, is dit nie so verwerk dat 'n mens na 'n paar minute daai sugar crash kry waarvan ons so almal so van weet nie. Waar wanneer jy dit eet, het jy eintlik volhoubare energie en mens proe eintlik die goedheid in die produkte, want dit is regtig, dit is vullend, maar dan proe dit ook soos 'n bederfie aan die kant.
Lekker, nou gepraat van daai bederfie, hoe lyk die tipe produkte in julle reeks?
So ons is meeste bekend vir ons Boombars, so dit is lekkernye wat in 5 verskillende geure kom. Maar dan bied ons ook koekies, sjokolade en selfs gesonder konfyt en toebroodjiebotter, soos sonneblomsaadbotter en klapperbotter. En ons stel ook binnekort 'n kinderreeks vry wat meer gefokus sal wees op gesonder toeganklike versnapperinge, ontbytkossies, aandetes wat vir kinders gemaak is, maar ook maklik is om vir ouers 'n opsie te gee om allergievrye en gesonder opsies in die kosblik te sit.
Nou, toe baie dankie. Ons gaan verseker 'n bietjie daar op die webtuiste rond sniffel. Dit sit ons ook nou op die skerm vir al ons kykers en dankie dat jy ingeskakel het en saam met ons kom kuier dit vanoggend. Ek gaan verseker uitkyk vir Nanuki. Bly ingeskakel want net hierna bespreek ons natuurlik al daai reisplanne vir die vakansieseisoen en ons bespreek ook die weervooruitsigte vir Kersdag, hè? Ons kan so ver vooruit dink. Hartlike goeiemôre as jy nou eens aangesluit het. Ons kuier net hierna verder.